Hopefully, everyone's having a great Sunday afternoon. Now, before we get into the show, I really do want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. All right, with that said, let's get into Eric's Sunday's best picks. We are going to highlight 3 stocks today, and then we're going to see on Friday how those stocks fared. My first stock that I am going to suggest is VIR Biotechnology. All right, so if you can see from Friday's chart right here, right, this is the daily chart. VIR was up 11.25% on lower than average volume. So what does that suggest? That there are no more sellers in this area, right? So what next? Well, I mean, we are above that 10 SMA right here. As you can see, that's that blue line and that virgin point of control. That's that red horizontal line that goes across here. That means the majority of shares have been bought below us when that's a very, very good sign. All right. So that, here we go. That's VIR. Be a buyer above that. But I do want to cross-reference this with one more chart, and that's that 513 EMA chart that I like. And remember from past episodes, I say when the 5, which is that light blue line, is above that 13, which is that red line, it usually means an uptrend, right? As you can see here, the 5 was below the 13, and this actually sold off. Now take a look at this right here at the last trading day or two. Look, the 5 crossed above the 13. So this is usually an indication that a trend reversal is in order right here, or is actually about to happen. So if you want to get long, get long on Monday, and then use Friday's low as your out. Okay, get long on Monday, Friday's low as the out. All right. So next stock that we are going to recommend is NCLH, which is Norwegian Cruise Line. So here's another one on that 513. Okay, where the 5 is not above the 13, but it did gap up nicely from Friday. And guess what? That usually means right, that it's either going to gap and fail or gap and go. So this is very critical on Monday that NCLH does hold Friday's lows. Okay, so watch this very carefully. I think by the end of the week, the stock is going a lot higher. So let's cross-reference this with a couple other charts just to take a look. So we're going to cross-reference that 9 SMA on the weekly. Now the 9 right here, that light blue line, that's the 9 SMA. The price did close above that 9 SMA, which is actually a very good sign too. And this could indicate another trend reversal right there. It's all little pieces of the puzzle. And the last chart that I'd like to look at is right here on that daily with the histogram right here. We're above that point of control. We're above that blue line, which is the 10 SMA. And we're right there at that midpoint Bollinger Band. We get above that, we get to that value area high. There's not going to be many shares traded above us, and that means the stock is going to go higher. All right, everyone, that is NCLH. Last stock that I do like and looks really good is ZI. All right, take a look at ZI right here. ZI, take a look again above the point of control, above the 10 SMA, that blue line, above that 50. Right, all 3 good indication that's wants to go higher. And then on that 9 SMA right here, we punctured through that 9 SMA right there, and that's actually a good sign right there as well. And then lastly, we're going to bring this up on the that 513 EMA. The 5 is crossing that 13, so again, this is an indicator of a trend reversal right here. All right, guys, those are the 3 stocks that I am suggesting and recommending for next week: VIR, okay, ZI, all right, and NCLH. Okay, everyone, please enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and we will see you Monday after the close.